and he's slow to get up on his feet. Sabi ko nga, no, he's really feeling pain. You'll see him try to score jump shots, but you will not see him penetrate.
And Noli Locsin getting another basket. Umiyak sa tuwa yung bata. At samantala, Saitono nasa akal sa likod ni EJ File. Binalik ni Alvarez kay Saitono at nagagawa na kuha finally ni JP Gayoso. He's on there. Nakalusot. Oh! Muntik na mabutin pero may foul. Dignadize will be charged with that foul, but again, he's on daredevil drive to the basket.
Aquino, and he will attack the defense.
Marlo Aquino getting a close-range basket. 8 puntos na si Marlo Aquino. Lahat nagawa niya dito sa second quarter. At ibang-iba na yung laro ng Mamano, Kinito. Kasi ito si Marlo Aquino nung araw, nung pag-una niyang pagpasok, medyo mahina pa yung pangangatawan. Pero ngayon talagang ginagamit na niya yung lakas niya. Aquino, pumaposte. Dapat kitig na dise, natapik. Uy!
And then,
8 seconds na shot clock. Offensive foul.
That will be a push. A shove by Vince Dizon as he turned away. Na-pressure din sila ng depensa ng San Miguel Beer at this stage. You see that here.
And there's a timeout by Ginebra San Miguel. Simula po tayo sa ating second quarter. Tatlong abante ng Ginebra San Miguel, Kinito, 27-24. Nagkaroon na ng pagpasok dito ni EJ File as we begin this quarter. At si Lamont Struthers nakawala mula kay Fred Cofield.
Again, nag-open up yung depensa ng Ginebra San Miguel. Both Twin Towers were waiting outside at walang tulong sa depensa no? Because masyadong spread out yung offense ng San Miguel Beer. That's by design. They don't want the big men of Ginebra San Miguel to play heavy defense. Uy, natapik.
Magandang tapik ni...
Yun ang specialty. Yun ang specialty ni Gides, ha?
Oo, ginagawa niya yung kipatrimonyo. Samantala si Gayoso, natapik din palabas. Yung pasa naman kay Lamont Struthers.
Partner, hindi naman sa yung ginagawa ng San Miguel Beer despite the fact that in the first quarter they look a little bit tired.
Yes.
They're just down by 1 point.
Oo.
And ito si Allen Calvic. Did score 1 3-point shot, but that's his only field goal of the game.
That pass, another turnover. Alam niyo po, ang San Miguel Beer leads the league in turnovers. Average of almost 19 turnovers per game. Oh, yung ating Big Nine, si Sonny Jaworski. Yan ang ini-enjoy ng ating napakalaking crowd dito sa loob ng Cuneta Avenue Dome. Si Norman Black na nakita natin doon sa ating Big Nine screen. At matindi talaga ang following itong dalawang kapwa na ito. Samantala si Alvarez na agawan. Yung pasa, Art de la Cruz nauuna na. Inangat. Oh, gumulong-gulong. Pumasok.
Transition attack by San Miguel Beer. Sabi nila, who says we're tired?
Oo. Ang fast break numbers ng San Miguel Beer, only 14.6 points per game.
Now, mabagal naman ang takbo ng opensa ng Ginebra San Miguel because they do have 2 big men who really aren't used to running the break. Ito, talk about the big man. He's in scoring position.
Maganda yung depensa ni Dong Polistico. Oh, paksak si Polistico. At sabi ni Lamont Struthers, let's take our time. Nandun pa sa baba si Dong. Not that he will be part of the offense.
Eh, sabi ni Dong Polistico, anyway, dito naman ako sa labas eh.
Ito si Struthers. Nilabas kay Art de la Cruz. Traveling. Again, another turnover, Kinito. At mukhang yan talagang pumapatay sa momentum ng San Miguel Beer. At may technical foul pa.
Kanining technical.
Si Art de la Cruz patuloy na kinakausap si referee Ernie De Leon. By the way, ang ating mga referees, Ernie De Leon, referee Cruz at si referee Rivera.
Actually, ito si Art de la Cruz, nabigyan ng magandang pick. But he stuttered, no? Hindi niya malaman siguro kung anong gagawin niya sa bola once he had that pick. I also thought that pick was given to him too high. That's not really the range of Art de la Cruz.
Actually, itong lineup ng San Miguel, Kinito, napakalaki. They're using Lamont Struthers as a point guard. At ngayon, ang matchup ni Alvarez ay itong mamang ito, si Val David, sa poste.
Well, good move on the part of Norman Black to slide Struthers away from Cofield. Siguro nakita niya, si Struthers must put in a lot of numbers in offense. Kanya si Art de la Cruz, who is someone who can guard imports, is now in the game and he's taking on Fred Cofield.
Very shifty Fred Cofield. Nalusutin si De La Cruz. Umangat. Masyado malakas. Rebound, Marlo Aquino. Goodbye na yun.
At maganda rin ang nangyari doon for Ginebra San Miguel because umangat ito si Polistico playing help defense on the driving Fred Cofield. Kanya nakawala ito si Marlo Aquino to slide in for the offensive rebound.
Legal defense ang isa-charge laban kay JV Gayoso. Anticipating that entry pass patungo kay Bong Alvarez. Unang tawag lamang yan sa ating laro at warning lamang dapat sa Ginebra San Miguel.
Well, binanggit mo si Bong Alvarez. This is a player who must step up his game. Last time out, he scored only 5 points. Previous to that, he was held scoreless in 5 minutes. But of course, he's coming off a 5-game sit-out. But since Sambolin hindi na makakalaro in this game, Alvarez must fill in the void left by Mr. Wong.
Another foul charge to Fred Cofield. Pangalawa na yan ni Cofield. One team foul para sa Ginebra San Miguel. 9 and 13 remaining sa ating second quarter. Dalawa lang po ang abante ng Gins. It's been a very close game. The biggest lead has been only 6. Diyan ay para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Entry pass. Bong Alvarez sa ilalim. Naantala. At yung pagtalo niya, ang pigilan, 3-point shot. Masyado malakas. Dong Polistico. Umangat. Kagyan nasapal pero may foul daw. Laban kay EJ File.
A nice sidestepping move by Dong Polistico. Kaya akalain ni EJ File na Polistico will have that
may galaw
move.
pala.
Oo, pinake niya. Nakakuha siya ng foul.
Parang sinasabi, ano sabi mo Noli? Hindi ako kasama sa opensa. Ang pinagmamalaki ng Davao City, si Dong Polistico mga kaibigan. Ito sa kanyang unang free throw. Well, his numbers show that he's really been used more sa depensa. Alan Kaidik sitting out with 2 personal fouls. Nagpasimula siya dito sa larong ito. So far, only 1 3-point shot, 3 points in the game.
Vince Season is back in the game. Rather ineffective si Baldabid.
Pangalawa, mintis na naman. Offensive rebound para sa San Miguel Beer. Doon sila lumalamang. Ano?
Yes, oo.
Surprisingly.
They're getting the breaks in the offensive boards at despite the fact that yung Twin Towers ng Ginebra San Miguel sa kasalukuyan.
Lamont Brothers, nakapapit ng bahagya. Binigay kay Art de la Cruz. 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Ignatice, hindi titira sa harapan ni Marlo. 5 seconds, 4. Bong Alvarez, inilabas pa. Mauubusan na sila ng oras. Parang very tentative ang nasa loob ng mga manlalaro. Except, of course, for Lamont Brothers, walang gustong tumira.
Well, one thing about San Miguel Beer, I think they're used to teams double-teaming Lamont Struthers, and that opens up opportunities for the locals to score. In particular, nakita natin sa laro ng San Miguel Beer and Pure Foods in the quarterfinals, palaging nado-double team ito si Struthers because he's such an explosive scorer. But Ginebra San Miguel is not a good double-teaming unit. Kanya, they're playing straight up on San Miguel Beer. As a result, they're not getting open opportunities for the locals to play off the double team on Struthers.
Matala may offensive foul laban kay Marlo Aquino. That'll be number 1 on the big man. Tagal niyang hindi gumagalaw ang ating talaan. Still a 2-point ball game. Abante po ang Ginebra San Miguel 30, San Miguel Beer 28. Medyo nag-settle down na ngayon ang pace of the players after a blistering start.
Firing start. Hey, nice cut by Vigdanisa, but again, too tough for Vigdanisa to try to make a shot over the arm-stretched arms of Marlo Aquino.
Usual foul laban kay Dong Polistico. Yan ay pangalawa na ni Dong Polistico. Checking the numbers. Look at those rebounding figures. Kinito. At tandaan natin ang Ginebra San Miguel is the second in rebounding pagdating dito sa ligang ito. Up to the quarterfinal stage. Kinito.
Yes, ang San Miguel Beer naman ay kulelat.
Kulelat, yes.
In that department. Well, kanina nakita natin ito si Vigdanisa trying to put a move on Marlo Aquino, not succeeding. For me, that's what he has to do. He has to move and force Marlo Aquino to play lateral defense because you cannot shoot over Marlo Aquino. You have to keep him moving.
Sumaksak sa loob si Lamont Brothers. Mintis ang kanyang tira at may nagkasipan. We were looking at that action. Nagkasipan si Struthers at saka si JV Gayoso in the backcourt.
And a useless foul by JV Gayoso.
Nakita natin yan eh.
Yes.
Bumaksak si Struthers.
Sinipa yata.
Oo. At tinawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Well, what that did, of course, was it robbed the Ginebra San Miguel of an opportunity to score on the fast break.
Well, in a series like this, Kinito, obviously, hindi lamang ika nga mahusay na pag-shoot kung hindi composure and poise.
Totoo yan.
Dapat mong ipakita dito.
And of course, this is a best-of-5 semifinals, but certainly you need to play composed throughout the series.
Checking the turnover numbers ang San Miguel Beer po, already with 7 turnovers in this quarter. 4 lamang para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Samantala, Asaytono, nasa apat sa likod ni EJ File. Binalik ni Alvarez kay Asaytono at naggawa na kuha finally ni JP Gayoso. Dizon na naman. Nakalusot. Oh! Butik na mabutin pero may foul. Tignan Dizon will be charged with that foul, but again, he's on daredevil drive to the basket.
Partner, yan ang dahilan kung bakit pinalik ni Coach Robert Jaworski si Vince Hizon in place of Val David. David couldn't get anything going in drives to the hoop. And remember, of course, Val David does not drive as strong to the hoop as Vince Hizon. And I think Robert Jaworski wants penetration.
Kita niyo ang concentration ni Sonny Jaworski. He's been walking up and down. Very unusual para kay Sonny Jaworski, checking his lineup. At mukhang talagang very focused ngayong araw na to si Coach Sonny Jaworski. Samantala, naipasok ni Vince Hizon ang kanyang unang free throw. Fred Cofield continuing to get instructions mula sa kanyang bench.
Well, Cofield 4 out of 7 from the field in this game. He's got 2 3-point shots. Si Struthers naman in comparison 6 out of 9 from the field with 1 triple V.
2 for 2 from the line si Vince Hizon at naiangat ang kanilang abante sa 6 na puntos. 6:55 remaining sa ating second quarter. Muli, pati nagagalak na mga kasama kayo. Fred Cove, or rather Lamont Struthers, clipped and hacked sa ilalim.
Maganda yung pasa. Beautiful pass. And they found Struthers sliding in. Struthers, of course, with a big advantage in that low post position. And he was fouled coming in.
Dalawang free throw ibibigay kay Lamont Struthers. Again, ito po ang unang laro ng serye dito sa semifinals ng Ginebra San Miguel at San Miguel Beer. Kanina po sa ating other series, nagwagi ang Alaska Milk to take a 1-0 lead laban sa Formula Shell Super Unleaded. 102-83. 19 ang abante ng Alaska in a really a blowout game at ang ating naging Gilbis choice player doon, si Sean Chambers.
Shell looked a little out of sync in that game. But you can expect the Zoom Masters to bounce back as we take a look at Frankie Lim, who had an explosive game against Pure Foods last Sunday. Scored 13 points with 3 triple Bs. So far si Frankie Lim wala pang contribution sa laro nito.
Lumabas pa hindi na ni Lamont Struthers. Samantala si Alan Kaidik at si Guido Babilonia papasok para kay Bong Alvarez and Yves Dignadice and Benny Cheng checking in also para naman sa Ginebra San Miguel. Bong Alvarez has been quite ineffective dun sa kanyang stint on the floor. Kinito.
Well, Coach Norman Black shuffling his players. He wants fresh legs on the floor. At alam niya, ito si Vince Hizon tsaka si Fred Cofield. They are 2 very quick players. Now, Benny Cheng is in the game, but more for defensive purposes. I expect ito si Benny Cheng to take on Fred Cofield in defense.
Good pass. EJ File. Frontal attack at si EJ File getting on the board. Unang 2 puntos ni EJ File.
Again, the penetration by Vince Hizon and the drop-off.
Yun ang problema pag isang beses o 2 beses, 3 beses nakalusot na yun si Hizon. Ngayon talagang didepensa mo na yan. At ngayon nagtitikoy siya. Samantala another turnover laban sa San Miguel Beer.
It's a frustrating evening so far for Alan Kaidik. And yet there's so much pressure on his shoulders because he must deliver, particularly on his outside shooting for San Miguel Beer in this game.
Well, it's been a frustrating conference for Alan Kaidik. Ano pinito?
36% shooting from the field and only 3 points in that San Miguel win over Pure Foods last Sunday.
Ang tapegoy, tumama sa sapatos ni Benny Cheng. Good tap mula kay Alan Kaidik. But this is a 7-point ball game, mga kaibigan. Abante ang Ginebra San Miguel. Kung anong bilis ng first quarter, yan naman ang higang pagbagal ng pace dito sa second quarter.
Ito, yeah. One thing we've noticed is that both teams not giving up too many fouls so far. Both these teams not getting the penalty. And in the first quarter, neither team went into the penalty.
Yes. Vince Hizon, nakalusot na naman. Oy, lumabas. Almost the basket para kay Vince Hizon. He has a total of 9 in this ball game. Lamont Struthers.
Hizon has been able to penetrate that defense of San Miguel Beer. Yun nga lang, he's had a lot of heartbreaking misses from up close.
Pangalawang illegal defense ang itinawag laban sa Ginebra San Miguel. That'll mean a technical. Pero bago yan, magka-timeout muna ang San Miguel Beer. Muli po kami nagagalak na makasama kayo, Pilipinas, dito po sa ating semifinal round. At yan po si Senator Franklin Drilon, isa sa mga kaibigan ng PBA, sa Commissioner's Row. Kasama of course si Commissioner June Bernardino. At iba pang mga bituin. Ika nga, alam mo kinito, wala daw sa kalangitan ngayon ng mga bituin. Nasa Cuneta dito. Sa dami ng tao dito.
And talking about stars, ito si Alan Kaidik went to the stripe to take the technical free throw, and it's a good move on the part of Norman Black to choose Kaidik. He needs to be able to unravel his offense in this game, and giving you an opportunity to score a free throw would be a good first step.
Mintis yung kaliwa.
Partner yung offensive rebound ng San Miguel Beer, despite the presence of the two big guys. And Benny Cheng called for a traveling violation.
Alam mo, miski pinuputakti ng sapal itong si Lamont Struthers, you have to give him A for effort dahil talagang inahamon niya yung depensa ng dalawang matangkad.
Talagang lumalaban ito si Struthers. He's been held down to only 3 points in this quarter by the hounding defense of may double team na ngayon ng Ginebra San Miguel on Lamont Struthers. This will open up an opportunity for San Miguel to play off the double team.
Another turnover charge to Lamont Struthers. Sumahanap ng foul si Norman Black. 3-point shot! Fred Cofield, pangatlong triple B ngayong araw na to. And it's a 9-point ball game. Mabante na po ang Ginebra San Miguel.
Buhayat ang ginaganahan nito si Fred Cofield. He wanted that shot. He looked for that shot. And that's a triple B in transition.
Oh, with a hand on his face. Alan Kaidik, gustong bumawi. Nalibre ng bagya, tumira sa labas. Sablay. 4.5 remaining. Second quarter, another 3. In and out. Marloquin offensive rebound at may foul. Sigidor Babilonia. Alam mo si Fred Cofield, nabanggit natin. Kita mo, 3-point shot in transition. Hand in front of his face. Walang maling.
Pumasok. At yung susunod na tira ni Fred Cofield, hindi na pumasok now. You wonder, Fred Cofield taking those 3-point attempts, low percentage shots in transition. Good move or bad move? As far as Fred Cofield is concerned, if he's got a big man underneath who can get the offensive rebound, good move. As you see, Ber Navarro, Chief Operating Officer of La Tondena, who is clearly the inspiration of this team, aside of course from Coach Robert Jaworski.
Matala, bumalik na si Don Polistico sa laro. Marlo Aquino nakuha yung kanyang unang free throw. Pangalawa niya, pumasok muli at nadagdagan na ang abante ng Ginebra San Miguel sa labing isa. 41-30 with 4:20 remaining dito sa ating second quarter.
Coach Norman Black, obviously realizing that the perimeter game of San Miguel Beer is getting to high gear, now has both Frankie Lim and Alan Kaidik in the game at the same time.
Sariling magkakampi, nagbanggan at si Nelson Aceitones down on the floor habang tinawagan si Fred Cofield ng kanyang third personal foul. You know, you get this feeling na ito si Lamont Struthers is taking too many shots and trying to take over this ball game, and sometimes it's out of control, Ginito.
Well, nakita natin si Lamont Struthers passed the ball a lot in the last game. San Miguel Beer versus Cruz, as you see, Nelson Aceitono, I think will have a little break at this stage.
Well, paalalahanan po namin kayo mga kaibigan as we take a look at Aceitono grimacing in pain. Pagkatapos itong ating semifinal encounter, panoorin naman si Marvelous Marvin Hagler, ang middleweight champion of the world laban kay Roberto Duran, ang man with the hands of stone, super bouts ngayong gabi. Dito lang sa VTV on IBC. Ito yung huling pangyayari. Baksak si Struthers. Uy, sakit yan.
Well, Fred Cofield came in from nowhere to play help defense. Actually, he didn't need. It was a useless foul on his part because nakapwesto na yung mga malalaki ng Ginebra San Miguel sa loob, ready to swat that shot of Lamont Struthers. Aceitono gingerly getting back up on his feet.
Medyo na banat yung likod ng kanyang tuhod. And tandaan po natin mga kaibigan, si Samboy Lim is already out of this ball game. Hindi siya maglalaro ngayong araw na to with a patellofemoral pain in his left knee. At ngayon naman si Nelson Aceitono ikang pupunta sa kanilang bench. Of course, si Bong Alvarez is also playing hurt, coming off an injury. At yung again, yung age and health ng San Miguel Beer again coming to play in this series, Kinito.
Yes, and Lamont Struthers, before going to the stripe to take his free throws, went over to the San Miguel Beer bench, asking for yung bang knee support.
Okay.
Mukha yatang
Tinamaan din yung tuhod niya.
oo, mukha yata may tama din ito sino. As you see him, well, you don't see him right there in that shot, but kanina nakita natin, yun, he's on his feet and he's trying to shake away some pain in that knee.
Nakita natin si Mike Mustre na pumasok na sa laro. Nelson Aceitono getting treated, yung ice bag sa kanyang kanang tuhod naman. Tandaan natin ang San Miguel Beer has played with adversity for quite some time. Ilang komperensya na yan, puro injury yung kanilang iniinda.
Yes.
Sa kanilang mga starters.
Well, ito San Miguel Beer has really been struggling in this conference. Maswerte nga sila that they were able to survive the quarterfinals. Now Struthers is limping now. We mentioned that earlier. He's still...
Ay bumangga pa si Mike Mustre sa kanya.
I'm sure he's feeling some pain.
Oh yes, look at him. He's trying to shake it off. May foul na itinawag on this last play. Si Dong Polistico tinawagan ng foul habang inantala niya yung screen na binigay ni EJ File.
Low post. Aquino. And he will attack the defense.
Marlo Aquino getting a close range basket. 8 puntos na si Marlo Aquino. Lahat nagawa niya dito sa second quarter. At ibang-iba na yung laro ng Mama, Kinito. Kasi ito si Marlo Aquino nung araw, nung pag-una niyang pagpasok, medyo mahina pa yung pangangatawan, pero ngayon talagang ginagamit na niya yung lakas niya.
Yes, he's playing with confidence at alam niya ang kanyang kalaban sa kanilang matchup. Ito si Ives Igadize, who appears to be a little too frail to push him out of his comfort zone.
And if you look at the San Miguel Beer lineup, wala ka talagang pwedeng itapat na matangkad na malaki or matangkad na mabigat. Except maybe for Dong Polistico na ngayon ay kailangan naman pagpayan si EJ.
Exactly. And of course, Babilonia will also be there. But when you have Babilonia and Polistico playing together, San Miguel Beer loses quickness.
Nakita natin yung sapal ni EJ File kay Alan Kaidik, and they're really lording it over them right now.
Ito na naman.
Close range, Mitis. Tapik ni Benny Jeng, palabas. Bola po ng San Miguel Beer. Watch that block muli laban kay Alan Kaidik. Look at the help defense dito. Putataka. And the numbers.
Yes. 5 block shots for Ginebra San Miguel in this game so far.
Tandaan natin, they lead the league in block shots, 6 per ball game. Dalawa.
Less than 10 seconds on the shot clock. And the ball is still outside in the hands of Polistico.
Mike Mustre nakita. Ganda ng pagulong. Mike Mustre on the board. And a shot in the arm para sa San Miguel Beer. They're down by 10, but they need more defense at this stage. Aquino, pumaposte. Dapat kitig na Dice, natapik. Uy!
And then
8 seconds on shot clock. Offensive foul.
There will be a push. A shot by Vince Dizon as he turned away. Na-pressure din sila ng depensa ng San Miguel Beer at this stage. You see that here.
And there's a timeout by Ginebra San Miguel.
Set for Marlo Aquino.
Portion ng ating laro, 2:33 remaining. Abante po ang Ginebra San Miguel ng 10. 44-34. Meron na tayong report tungkol kay Nelson Aceitono. Kinito, ang report ng doktor, napugbog daw ng konti yung kanang tuhod sa gilid at siya ay under observation sa kasalukuyan. So we don't really know kung gaano katagal uupo sa bench itong si Nelson Aceitono. Tapang ni Mike Mustre.
Well, ginanahan dito si Mike Mustre because he was able to score previously. Kasi Lamont Struthers, yes, he's still a little
limping,
limping a little bit.
Hindi natin alam kung lalala pa yung kapansanan niya pagka pinilit niya. Remember, this is a long series. This is a best of 5 series patungo sa finals. Benny Cheng nakakita ng libre, mintis ang tira. Lamont Struthers not as quick now in his feet, pero libre siya sa 3, tumira.
Well, what will be affected is his driving ability. Lamont Struthers, if he continues to feel that pain in his knee, which is now wrapped in a something like a knee support, then it will curtail his ability to penetrate, and you'll see him take more shots from the outside. Ayan po si Lamont Struthers. Bad news for San Miguel Beer.
Already with a couple of injuries sa kanilang lineup, si Samboy Lim, Bong Alvarez, Nelson Aceitono, ngayon si Lamont Struthers. Samantala, si Benny Cheng nasa free throw line. We'd like to invite you sa ating halftime, mga kaibigan. Yung pong katuwa-tuwa at katawa-tawang bloopers ang aming feature kasama ng live and halftime analysis ni kasamang Kinito Henson, and of course ang ating live report mula kay Anthony Suntay at Coach Maniego sa San Miguel Beer at Ginebra San Miguel Huddles during lemon time, at yan po ay magaganap sa ating halftime show. Samantala, it's a 11-point lead, an 11-point lead, saradong 2 minuto ang nalalabi sa ating second quarter.
Babilonia checking in for Dong Polistico. I thought it would have been a good opportunity for Coach Norman Black to rest Lamont Struthers if that knee is really hurting. With 2 minutes to go here in the half, he'll be able to get a nice long break at his position.
Traveling ang tinawag kay Frankie Lim, walang mapasahan. Another turnover charge to San Miguel Beer.
Alam mo, yung straight-up defense ng Ginebra San Miguel is very, very sticky. At walang opportunity for Frankie Lim to look at an open man.
Partner,
Each man was covered.
tingnan mo lamang yung lineup sa loob ng San Miguel Beer. Wala talagang gumagawa ng puntos dyan except for Lamont Struthers.
That's true. They're not a high-scoring team, but Alan Kaidik struggling, Bong Alvarez struggling, Samboy Lim not able to play. So this is a very, very much handicapped San Miguel unit on the floor.
San Miguel Beer has only scored 10 points dito sa second quarter. Isang minuto, 37 saglit na lang po nalalabi before we have lemon time. Samantala, Benny Cheng ang may dala ng bola. Siya ang inaharas naman ni Lamont Struthers. Nasa labas pa sila with 4 seconds in the shot clock. Jump shot! Lumabas! And there's a loose ball foul laban kay Benny Cheng.
Yes, Benny Cheng called for the personal foul now. We mentioned the point about Lamont Struthers, probably more prudent for him to take a rest. Yet he continues to play. Si Fred Cofield nakaupo na ngayon. No? He is resting because may 3 personal foul na yata si Cofield.
That's right.
Okay, 3 na ang personal foul ni Fred Cofield. Kanya he's resting. As you see him there in your screen. So all Filipino ang lineup ng Ginebra San Miguel. Yet si Struthers is still on the floor. Baka namang he's just faking the injury. Ito,
Ito naman. Baksak si Lamont Struthers. Mukhang hindi naman tinamaan, no?
yes, and he's slow to get up on his feet. Sabi ko nga, no, if he's really feeling pain, you'll see him try to score jump shots, but you will not see him penetrate.
And Nolly Locsin getting another basket. Umiyak sa tuwa yung bata at fan ng Ginebra San Miguel dahil 14 na po ang abante ng Ginebra with less than a minute remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Mike Musra from the outside, offline, and San Miguel Beer taking bad shots at this stage. In season, ada pa.
No real reliable scorer on the floor for San Miguel Beer except for Lamont Struthers.
Wala.
If he's hobbled, sino titira? Hindi naman siguro si Mike Mustra, although he did take the triple V attempt kanina, hindi naman pumasok.
May illegal defense na itawag laban sa San Miguel Beer. Only the first infraction with 35.8 seconds remaining before halftime. Ang Ginebra San Miguel, full control itong larong ito, Kinito, including the pace. Kung gusto nilang bilisan, kaya nilang bilisan.
Totoo yan. Well, especially here in the final seconds of the second quarter, talagang dictating ng Ginebra San Miguel. You see, kanina, si Struthers actually didn't even dive for that ball. He didn't really have to because the ball was going to San Miguel Beer, but ordinarily, he would dive for that loose ball.
Hahabulin yan at hahabulin niya yung fast break. Ano?
So mukhang hampered din ito si Lamont Struthers. Kanina nakita natin si Nelson Aceitono hurt his knee and he's now resting on the bench. Alan Kaidik struggling. Oh, what a harrowing night for Coach Norman Black so far.
Nakukuha natin yung full report ni Struthers dun sa halftime report mamaya ni Anthony Suntay. Samantala, yan po nalalabing oras. Last shot time para sa San Miguel Beer. Dito Babilonia, sumaksak kinaliwa, lumabas. Struthers offensive rebound, gets the basket on the follow-up. On a left-handed shot, may kasama pang foul mula kay Nolly Locsin.
Ayan ang tinatawag natin puso. Watch this offensive rebound by Lamont Struthers. Kinaliwa niya. He threw the ball up. Found the net. And he'll have a bonus.
Bagamat iika-iga ito sila Lamont Struthers, 20 puntos na po ang binubuhos ni Struthers.
Halos nagpapakamatay ito si Lamont Struthers for San Miguel Pier.
Not bad, 10
Oh,
rebounds.
yes.
Double-double na yung Amerikanong import ng San Miguel Beer. Samantala,
What an effort he has done here for San Miguel Beer at almost a steal. Yes, he has created a turnover here for
Aba.
San Miguel Beer.
so a 3-point play now, a forced turnover. Pagkakataon ng San Miguel Beer na matapyas ng single digit yung lamang. 3-point
tinira niya.
shot! Banay! And Lamont Struthers with 6 points in the last 4 seconds. At ang abante ng Ginebra San Miguel natapyas sa 8 at the half, 48-40. Well, abangan niyo po sa ating halftime show ang ating bloopers kasama ng halftime analysis ni Quinito Henson at ang dugout reports ni Anthony Suntay at Coach Maniego sa aming pagbabalik sa halftime.